Since 1959, Tibetans have arrived in India seeking freedom, dignity, and a future for their families. For many, the journey has been long and uncertain. Since 1997, La Charitable Trust has stood beside the Tibetan refugee community, supporting education, livelihoods, health, and cultural preservation with compassion and care. In 2025, La continued to create meaningful impact, reaching thousands through education, skills training, health services, and community programs. Through educational programs, La empowers refugees with confidence, communication skills, and access to opportunities, helping them adapt and thrive in exile. La's livelihood skill training equips youth and adults with practical, job-ready skills, supporting economic independence and self-reliance. From dental care and elderly health programs to clean drinking water initiatives, La addresses essential community health needs with dignity and sustainability. La nurtures the emotional and social well-being of young students, building confidence, empathy, and leadership skills beyond the classroom. Environmental action and cultural exchange remain central to La's work, encouraging responsibility, awareness, and cross-cultural understanding.
Though she rose to become its chef at 5-star hotel, she felt something was missing. And her quest for purpose finally led her to La.
It's a very good opportunity for people who want to volunteer and learn about different culture. I really enjoy helping others and teaching all the students they have.
My time at La has really been nothing short of magical. It's really, really special, and I'm really glad that I get to stay here for a long time and form connections that I'll carry with me throughout this lifetime and hopefully into the next.